Hey guys, how you doing? 420 scene here. Real quick, join our Discord. It's free and the link is going to be in the pinned comment and description down below. And of course, be sure to drop a like on the video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. I've had a few of you asking me about my favorite compost tea, and this is one of the videos that got deleted that I'm going to be bringing back. So not only am I going to tell you my go-to compost tea, but I'm going to also be explaining why, because I mean, anybody can just give you a recipe, but it's another thing to know why you're giving your plants what you're giving them. Also, real quick, today is the last day to enter the Sea Vault Christmas giveaway. All you have to do is follow me and subscribe to me over on Twitch at RadScene, and you're in. We'll be announcing the winners in today's live stream. Plus, you get to smoke and chill with me while I play the new Ark Raiders, which is a phenomenal game. If you haven't tried it yet, you should definitely try it. Literally my new favorite game. So I will see you guys there. And again, be sure to be followed and subscribed. And if you have Amazon Prime, it's literally free to subscribe and you'll be automatically entered in every giveaway that we run in the future, so I'll see you there. Before we get into the tea recipe, to the dude hating on Theo, my cat, bro, I mean, like, how bad is life really? Crazy work, let me tell you. All right, so the first thing that you're gonna wanna do is fill up your 5-gallon bucket, but you want to leave yourself some space, you know, in case of spillage. When you're aerating, when you're bubbling, it kind of gets around the sides. If you have it like on a wall, it's going to get on there, so just make sure to don't fill it up all the way, just leave a little bit of room. After you get your bucket filled up, add 4 tablespoons of blackstrap molasses, and that's going to feed the microbes from the sugars, and it's a great way to set the tone for your soil food web. Next, you're going to throw in some apple and banana peels and potato peels, and that's going to take care of the vitamin portion. Everyone is always about nutrients and adding microbes to your mix, but a lot of people skip out on how important vitamins are to your plant. We're talking about your plant's health and immune system. I would like to think that's pretty important stuff. The peels are great for fighting off any kind of diseases and pathogens, and I know the question is going to come up about the different fruits and vegetable peels out there, but I only recommend what I've used in the past, which is apple, banana, and potato peels. I'm not in the business of giving you guys recommendations on stuff that I've never used before or tried just to get views. I'm not about that. I like to actually recommend stuff that I've personally used myself. Next, go with 2 to 3 cups of worm castings, and even though your worm castings don't have a crazy amount of nutrition, it's loaded with microbes and you have a good, you know, ratio mixture of nutrients that your roots can grab a hold of right away. And not only that, but it's going to help improve soil aeration and water retention. Next, you're going to throw in 2 tablespoons of kelp meal, and that's going to give your plants access to absorb all those nutrients that you're going to be giving them. It all starts with your root system. Those are going to be the main components that you'll need for your compost tea. Now, let's just say, for example, like that's just your bare minimum. Now, let's just say, for example, if you have a deficiency that you're trying to fix right away, like let's just say you have a calcium deficiency, just for shits and giggles, right? You can throw in 2 cups of crab meal or oyster shell with your mix. So you got the bare bones recipe that I just told you about, and then you could add stuff that you need. Like you could, you know, throw in some langbionite in there if you have a potassium deficiency, and you could use that in a way. You can use your bare bone compost tea for maintenance, but you can also use it to fix a deficiency kind of right away because you're aerating, you're working it out. All the stuff that I told you to put in here, it is basic yet super effective compost tea. It's going to help maintain vigorous growth, and you can use this in both the vegetative and flowering stages. It's not like you can only use this for veg or flower. This is your all-around compost tea. There's been a lot of debate on how long you should be brewing for, so I'm just going to keep this short and sweet. Most people recommend 24 to 48 hours, but I like to lock it in between 30 and 36 hours. Oh, before I forget, make sure that the molasses goes in there before anything else. So that's the first thing you're putting in there. Farmers have been using compost tea for centuries, and it's always been the golden standard for organic gardening. There's just too much benefit not to use it. And if you guys have any questions for me, be sure to join our free Discord community where we have a lot of really cool people that love showing off their stuff, and it's just really positive and just an uplifting community where everyone helps each other out. It's just really cool. So having said that, before I do close off today's video, be sure to join our new Discord and Twitch especially. We've been growing on those 2 platforms like crazy, especially lately, so be sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. And again, don't forget to follow us on Twitch over at RadScene, and I hope everyone has a great rest of their day, and as always, stay safe. Peace, guys.